In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub, whether you're a developer looking to streamline your workflow or someone just getting started with project management. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you establish that vital connection smoothly. To start, let's head over to Lovable. Open your web browser and navigate to Lovable's website. Once you're there, locate your specific project within Lovable. It's crucial to find the right project you want to sync with GitHub. Got it? Great. Now, while you're in the project view, you'll notice an option that says Connect GitHub. This is your gateway to a more streamlined coding experience. After clicking on Connect GitHub, don't worry if you have to click it again. This often happens due to an extra confirmation step. When prompted, you'll need to authorize the connection between Lovable and GitHub. This may require you to log into your GitHub account, so make sure you have your GitHub credentials handy. If you're already logged in, GitHub will prompt you to authorize Lovable to access your repositories. Simply click Authorize to proceed. Once authorized, you'll be taken to a page where you can manage organizations. Here, you can select which GitHub organizations you'd like to connect with Lovable. It's important to select the correct ones, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. Go ahead and click on Add Organizations. This step allows Lovable to access the repositories within your chosen organizations. Continuing with the process, you might see a list of additional permissions or options depending on your GitHub setup. Don't be overwhelmed. These are normal. Simply click on Continue once you've made sure that all necessary organizations and repositories are selected. This action will finalize the setup and confirm the linkage between your selected GitHub repositories and the Lovable project. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Lovable project should now be successfully connected to your GitHub repository. This connection will enable smoother collaboration and efficient code management across your development team. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember to double check your permissions on both Lovable and GitHub. Ensure that your GitHub account is connected properly and that Lovable has access to the correct repositories. Sometimes logging out and logging back in or refreshing the page can resolve minor issues. Thank you for watching. Connecting Lovable to GitHub is a powerful way to enhance your project management and development workflow. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks in optimizing your software development practices. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.